we interviewed a delightful lady recently who runs 4 companies, and she gave us a bit of an overview on what the virus situation was how it was affecting her companies. Can you give me an idea, or can you give our audience an idea of some of the companies that you are involved with, responsible for, and how the virus has affected those particular entities? And I should imagine Dubai Parks has been severely affected.
Absolutely. So I'll give you an answer with two different types of companies. One set of companies that I'm involved with is in the consumer facing or services side. So Dubai Parks and Resorts, clearly. I'm an investor and chair the board of a medium-sized restaurant business here, as well as a small chain of gyms. So these businesses are all down in revenue by between 80% and 100%. Dubai Parks and Resorts has no customers whatsoever. It has 0 revenue. The restaurant business is doing some delivery, but nothing like before, and the gyms are shut and trying to make ends meet. And then I'm invested or involved with other businesses in the technology side, cybersecurity, and energy saving, and they're in a whole different world economically after the virus hit. On the consumer-facing side, I think we've got 2 issues. One is immediate, which we're all facing right now: cut costs, hoard cash, and don't pay anybody. And that will last you for the next few months, but at some point you have to, get your head out of the sand and say, so now what am I going to do? And the world has changed, and we're going through a lot of thinking about how each of these industries will change in the new world. Will it ever come back to what it was before as volumes in terms of dollar terms? And if it does, will it come back in the same way? Are people still going to come to theme parks? Are they going to eat in restaurants like they used to? Will they continue to be addicted to delivery, or is it somewhere in between? Everybody's doing gym classes on Zoom these days. Will they come back to the gym? Will they be too scared? Is it cheaper, more efficient, and from a time and cost perspective to stay at home? So those companies are all thinking about the implications of these changes that are happening and whether they're permanent. It's easy to say the world's changed, it's not coming back. But time and time again, people came back.
Yeah.
In 2009, we thought that was it. The world will never be the same again. 2012, nothing changed.
Yeah.
When we got caught out this time, we were caught out with excuse the language, but we were caught out with, our pants down in exactly the same way we were in 2008.